Tangaroa, 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 sailing the Tangaroa.
Join us on Sailing Tangaroa as we venture around remote desert islands in the northwestern Australia. We anchor up in paradise, catch some beautiful fish offshore and celebrate with a pirate party.
Oh, got me for life by your side. Leave me in a pine tree out.
Wow, Vodka Beach. We went exploring on our friend's boat in the northern part of the Monties. Our aim was to spear a black-spotted tuskfish to feed us for the next few days.
Missing my bones, baby. You don't know yet, but you know just with me. The ocean is calling, calling out lonely. The ocean is calling, calling out lonely.
Come here.
You're not in trouble, it's just like... Camera down or?
Yeah, it's just 2 seconds, mate. I'm on holidays. Tusky and coral trout.
Hey, where did we go? Days when the rains came down in the hollow.
Woo! Cheers!
Enough rubbish on the island.
Skipping and jumping in the misty morning fog. Hearts thumping in. Brown-eyed girl.
So we're all just anchored at Pit Point on the northern end of Montebello Islands. As the WA coast is so big and remote, you don't often see a lot of other cruisers, especially young crew. Lucky for us, we have been sailing with other boats who are great friends and adventurers. We often find ourselves in the most beautiful anchorages and it's always great to sail with others. Caught my first ranking cod today and speared my first trout yesterday. So there's heaps of amazing fish around and it's been really fun. And we're just about to have a fire on the beach with everyone and get out the bow and arrow, I think.
She's trying to stand up.
Do you remember where
Oh, just like that.
we used to sing? Sha la 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 da. Sha la 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 da la da.
We're offshore at Montebello Islands, northeast, and we just had a drop to deep water, 50 metres, and got a couple of ranking cods, so that was pretty special, pretty good. Nice going right. How you doing there, Han? Oh, little. One of them took my bloody lure off. What's going on, Han? Tell us what just happened.
I just got this Rankin cod and there's an orca just here. Woo!
Rankin.
This is so exciting.
We're out on my mate from back home. He's bought his boat out. And Han just caught a Rankin, so that's pretty special.
Just here.
Oh yeah. Is that an orca?
I don't know. I think, is that something different?
Orcas, eh?
Oh my god. Or false killers. He's coming right around.
Another Rankin. It is the Rankin Bank. Let this one go there.
Woohoo!
Oh, look what he's got in him. He's got that trout that I threw over.
No.
That whole trout frame. And I threw over.
Ooh, yellow?
Tiny little. big emperor. That's a big long though, isn't it? Yeah.
I can keep him.
It's massive. That's right. He's a big glowing on it.
What's happening tonight, guys? There's a full moon.
Oh, yeah. nothing out the ordinary.
Nothing really.
Just standard night, really.
Pirate party! In the cave. Lost boys. Curry night with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boats. What are you tonight? I don't have my jeans on yet.
Nothing. This is what I always wear.
Oh yeah. Nice. I'm sponsored by Export. Your arm is out.
Shit's gonna get weird. If it hasn't already.
Whatever you choose, you see the naked truth. It's only true sometimes. But if you're looking for lies, that's what you're gonna find. I gotta free my soul from the troubles I've made.
You know who's got an avocado left? Benny has an avocado.
Avocado.
Avocado!
It's mine. I bet you got bananas too, you scallywag.
I've got 8 bananas. Well, 8 bananas.
Get some, you get some, you trade a little piece of you. Nothing makes me happy. Singing the blues. Cheers.
We had a party in the cave last night and all the boats had pirate flags hoisted up. Well, I've just woken up this morning to all the flags missing. I wonder who stole them all, eh? We're going mud crabbing and we're fully covered. Gee, a bit of a walk from the tinny though. Tide's right out. Look at this little crab's home. It's a little shell cave. They're everywhere and they're so pretty. So the mud crabs up here are massive. We got 3 beautiful ones last time and it was the best chili crab that I've ever had, and James cooked it. They have so much meat in them. So cool, man. And I'm really hot in this get up. Sun's shining and it's a beautiful day.
Got one here, I've got one. Oh, beautiful.
Oh my god!
Grab that other one, Benny.
Oh, I don't know about that.
My love, I'm coming.
Let me feel him.
There's another one.
Yeah,
I'm gonna try.
And he laughs out alone with a common question why. Long into the night.
Ooh, what's happening here?
I've never liked it. Some people like it.
Just drying out in the Montebellos. Eating mud crabs, not a bad life.
Missile missions. Been here for 3 minutes.
Impressed, I'm impressed. I get wet.
3-minute assault mission. Missile. Trout.
Straight up.
No worries. Just like that, that's how you catch dinner.
All your friends in the backseat, they've gone crazy. Trying to find where the big bad wolf belongs.
Really surfing at 8 and 10 knots. Really fun. Well, yesterday we arrived in the morning after a night sail from the Montebellos.
We're at Sam's Island. He's built this awesome setup. Love all the shells up there.
Stop calling on.
It's not all smooth sailing on Tanga. We broke our front beam the other day, which was pretty disappointing.
Stop calling me on.